Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a digital flipbook on Canva. So very now here click on more and click on this photo, and if you are using if you are using free version of Canva, so select some free images. Now here select free photos. Now here click on share. Now here select this one, hygiene flipbooks. Now here just click on use. If you see this warning, so you have to select free one. Some images are paid. Like this one, this is the paid. So delete this page. This is the paid, and try free one. Now again click on share and more, and find out here hygiene flipbook, then click on save. Now wait for a few seconds. Now here click on view in hygiene flipbooks. Now wait for a few seconds. Your flipbook is being proceed. Now here you can customize your this flipbook. And once you complete, you can save or share your flipbook. So this is the quick and basic way, guys, to create a flipbook in Canva. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel. And there are some more options. So if you want to learn how to use this hygiene platform, so comment. I will create a proper video about these all features. So this is a very short and basic video to learn how to create a flipbook using Canva. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.